when we added to 5 is exactly divisible by 12, 14 and 18. Here a smallest number when we added to 5. See here that smallest number I am calling it as x. When we added it to 5, if you add 5 to this number, then this number is exactly divisible by 12, 14 and 18 also. See here children, this number is exactly divisible by 12, 14 and 18 also, and it is the smallest number. So how can we find the number? By first of all we have to find the number which is commonly divisible by 12, 14 and 18. Okay, then we have to subtract 5 from that number. Why you have to separate 5 from number? See here, smallest number when we added to 5 is exactly divisible by, this is the smallest number, then we have to add 5 to this number, and total this number is divisible by these three numbers. That's why we have to subtract 5 from, if you subtract 5 that number, then this is the smallest number. Okay, see here. First of all, given numbers. What are the given numbers here? 12, 14 and 18. So we have to find the LCM for these three numbers. I am finding the LCM by division method, 12, 14 and 18. So I am taking least prime number which is common for these three numbers. So in two table, 12 how many times? 6 times. 14 7 times and 18 9 times. See here, if you see here 6, 7 and 9. In two table, these three, out of these three numbers, any two numbers are common? No. No number is common in two table, only 6 is common. 7 no, not in two table, and 9 also not in two table. That's why I am taking next prime number is 3. In 3 table it is 2 times. 7, there is no 7 in 3 table, and 9 also, 9 is in 3 table. That's why I am taking 3 table now. It is 2 times, 7 is common, and in 9 3 times. See here 2, 7, 3. Is there any two numbers have common multiple? No. Here 2, it has 1 is the common multiple. Other than 1 there is no common multiple. That's why we have to stop here. We have to stop here, and LCM equal to 2 into 3 into 2 into 7 into 3. Now multiply. 2 3s 6, 6 2s 12, 12 into 7 84, 84 into 3s. Multiply here 84 into 3. 3 4s are 12, 3 8s are 24, 24 plus 1 25. So the answer is 252. So this is the number. What is this number? X plus 5. X plus 5 is 252, which is commonly divisible by 12, 14 and 18. It is divisible by 12, it is divisible by 14 and also divisible by 18. So in the question given that let the smallest number be x. I am calling the smallest number as x. Then if you add 5 to this number, then it is commonly divisible by these three numbers. That's why x plus 5 is equal to 252. Now find the value of x. How can we find? By moving this 5 to right side. If you move this 5 to right side, it becomes minus 5. Why? Here plus 5. Plus 5 is moved to the right side, then it becomes minus 5. So x is equal to 252 minus 5. Subtract 5 from 252. 247. So the value of x is 247. It is the smallest number. When we add it to 5, then it is exactly divisible by 12, 14 and 18. Okay children? Here, see here, find the greatest 3-digit number which when divided by 75, 45 and 60 leaves no remainder and the remainder 4 in each case. See here children, we have to find the greatest three-digit number which is commonly divisible by 75, 45 and 60, which is commonly divisible by 75, 45 and 60, and which leaves no remainder. No remainder means exactly divisible by these three numbers, and here the remainder 4 in each case. If you divide it by 75, 45 and 60, it leaves 4 as remainder in each case. So see here children, how can we solve this problem? As we have to find the greatest three-digit number which is commonly divisible by these three numbers. Means we have to find the LCM for these three numbers. Then we get common multiple of these three numbers. Common multiple. So what is meant by common multiple? Which is exactly divisible by that number. So we have to find the common multiple of these three numbers. So see here given numbers 75, 45 and 60. So I am doing LCM. In two table, these two numbers are not cancelled. These two numbers are not in two table. So I am taking three table or take five table. If you take five table, these three numbers are in five table. So 75 15 times and 45 9 times 5 times 55 and 60 12 times 5 times 60. So now take three table. In three table 15 5 times, 9 3 times and 12 4 times. So these three numbers are different numbers and what is their common factor. That's why we have to stop here. Now multiply LCM of 75, 45 and 60 is 5 into 3 into 5 into 3 into 4. Okay. Multiply now. 5 3 is 15, 15 5 is 75, 75 into 3. 75 into 3 multiply here. 75 into 3. 3 5 is 15. 3 7s are 21. 21 plus 1 22. So 225 now. So here 225 into 4. Multiply with 4. 4 5 is 20. 4 2 is 8, 8 plus 2 10. 4 2 is 8, 8 plus 1 9. So the LCM is 900 we get. LCM is 900 we get. So what is the first question he is asked? No remainder. So if you divide this is the greatest three-digit number. Greatest three-digit number. Okay. If you divide this number, it leaves no remainder. No remainder means 0 as a remainder. So divide this number with 75. I am dividing with 75. So in 90, 1 time 75 and I am subtracting it. If you subtract it, 10 minus 5, 5 and 8 minus 7, 1. So I am taking this carry down to here. In 150 it is 2 times, so 150. See here, if you divide this number with 75, it has 0 as a remainder. Okay. And I am dividing it with 45. 900. See here, in 90, 45 2 times means in 900 20 times. 20 into 45, 900. 0 as a remainder. Okay, now 60. Here 900. In 90 it is 1 time. 60 here. Now the remainder is 30. So I am taking this carry down to here. Now it is 300 in 60, 5 times. 5 into 60, 300. It leaves remainder as 0. Okay children. So what is the three-digit number which exactly divisible by 75, 45 and 60? 90. 900. Sorry, 900 is the number which is exactly divisible by these three numbers and leaves no remainder. Okay children. Therefore, write here 900. Therefore, the 3-digit number is 900. Okay, children. Now we have to find the second question. The remainder 4 in each case. Okay, children. Okay, children. This is the second question. We have to solve it now. See here, if we divide 900 by 75, it leaves no remainder. Why don't we add 900 plus 4? I am adding 900 plus 4. I am adding 4 to 900 and it becomes 904. If you divide 904 with 75, what is the remainder? 4 is the remainder. Why 4? I am adding extra 4. Extra 4 to 900. 900 is exactly divisible. It leaves remainder 4. I am adding 4 to this number. It leaves 4 as the remainder. See here. 75. I am dividing 404 to 75. How many times in 90? One time. So it is 75 now. I am subtracting it and leaves it remainder 115. So I am taking this 4 to here. So if you divide 150 with 75, it is 2 times 150. So it leaves remainder as 4. So I am adding simply 4 to the number which is exactly divisible by 75. So if you add 4 to this number, then this number is the remainder. 4 is the remainder. See, check for 45. 904, 2 times in 90. So it leaves remainder as 20 times 900. It leaves remainder 4. Check with 60. 904, 1 time in 90 and it leaves 30 as remainder. I am taking this carry down to here 304 and it is 5 times 5 into 60, 300. So it leaves remainder 4. Therefore, what is the 3-digit number? The 3-digit number is 904, which leaves remainder 4 when we divide this with these 3 numbers in each case. Okay, children. See here, children, homework problem. 3 measuring tapes are 64 centimeters, 72 centimeters, and 96 centimeters. And what is the least length can be measured by any of the tapes exactly? Here 3 tapes are given, 3 measuring tapes are given, and he is asking for the common length, which is a common length. It is exactly measured by these 3 scales. Okay, 3 tapes. So we have to find the common length. How can we find? By doing simply LCM of these 3 lengths. Okay, children. Thank you. See you tomorrow. Bye.